Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Aspect's Retinol Brulee, their vitamin A serum. This is your perfect age management serum, effectively addressing fine lines and wrinkles and all signs of aging. To further enhance the superior effectiveness of vitamin A, Aspect have now turbocharged Retinol Brulee with the addition of Lana Blue, a remarkable blue algae extract that clinically mimics the topical cosmetic effects of pure retinol without any side effects. While topical retinol is amongst the most active cosmeceutical ingredients discovered, in very high concentrations, it comes with potential side effects such as dryness, flaking, and mild irritation. So at Aspect, they want you to experience the fastest possible results, but naturally. Don't want you to suffer too much of the dryness or irritation associated with overdosing the skin with vitamin A. Thanks to the inclusion of Lana Blue, they now offer you much faster visible smoothing results without the disadvantages associated with increasing the retinol content. So Retinol Brulee also incorporates Canadian willow herb, which is a powerful botanical with the ability to cosmetically strengthen the skin's defences against external aggressors and maintain a superb level of visible calmness and serenity so that you may enjoy the remarkable cosmetic anti-aging benefits of Retinol Brulee without too much stress. Retinol Brulee is free of parabens, mineral oils and petroleum and artificial fragrance, so it's likely to be kind to even the most temperamental of skins. Now, Retinol Brulee is suitable for anyone concerned with aging, uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. It is also suitable for sensitive skin. Just note that Retinol Brulee cannot be used if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Use only a small pea-size amount and pat onto the face every third night to start and build up gradually to nightly. Now this works great with the Aspect's Exfol L15. So just a little tip, you can also slowly introduce the serum to your neck and décolletage. So if you would like to purchase the Aspect Retinol Brulee, please go to our website at skinmart.com or simply click on the link below. Until next time, you have a great day.